Discover the secrets of ginger. In our quick guide, 10 Benefits of Ginger Over Age 50, we reveal how this powerful spice can transform your health and vitality as you age. Join us to find out how this simple root can enhance your wellness and add zest to your mature years. Ready to turn back the clock with ginger? Tune in now. Ginger is your heart health champion. Let's start with your heart, your body's powerhouse. Ginger acts as a natural protector for your heart health. I'll explore how ginger, with its unique properties, supports a strong and healthy heart, ensuring it continues to beat rhythmically and efficiently. Improve your immune system. Moving to our body's shield, the immune system. Remember the time I caught a cold? Ginger tea was my savior. Here, I'll dive into ginger's immune-boosting qualities that help fend off colds and infections. Your digestive harmony promoter. Now, let's address digestion, a common but sometimes delicate topic. Ginger is a digestive marvel, aiding in smooth digestion. I'll suggest some delicious and easy-to-make ginger-infused meals that promote a happy and healthy digestive system. Ginger has brain function enhancer. Ever misplaced your keys? Don't worry, ginger enhances brain functions, including memory. We'll look at how ginger not only sharpens the mind, but also helps in cognitive health. Plus, I'll share my favorite brain-boosting ginger recipe. Next, respiratory system supporter. For those with breathing challenges, ginger can be a breath of fresh air. I'll recount my experiences with seasonal allergies and how incorporating ginger into my routine helped me breathe more comfortably and clearly. Your bone health advocate. As we age, bone health becomes crucial. Ginger is a lesser-known but effective supporter of bone strength. I'll delve into the science behind it and provide a recipe for a ginger-infused smoothie that's both a treat to your taste buds and a boon for your bones. Blood sugar regulator. Managing blood sugar levels can often be challenging. Let's discuss how ginger can naturally help regulate blood sugar. I'll also demonstrate how to prepare a simple ginger-based snack that's not only tasty but beneficial for blood sugar control. Has a sleep quality enhancer. Difficulty sleeping? Ginger might hold the key. I'll explain how incorporating ginger into your evening routine can promote restful and quality sleep, based on my own experience of overcoming sleepless nights. Have you tried using ginger for better sleep? Or do you have other natural sleep aids you swear by? Share your bedtime routines or tips in the comments. Let's help each other get that much-needed rest. Next is your muscle soreness reliever. Post-workout muscle soreness can be a real pain, literally. Let's see how ginger can alleviate this discomfort. I'll share my personal post-exercise ginger remedy that has proven effective in reducing muscle aches and speeding up recovery. And lastly, ginger is your potential anti-cancer ally. Lastly, we'll tackle a critical health topic: cancer prevention. Ginger shows promising signs in cancer research. I'll discuss why scientists are optimistic about ginger's potential role in preventing cancer, based on current studies and findings. Incorporating ginger isn't just about targeting specific health issues. It's about overall well-being as we age. Whether adding a spicy kick to meals or enjoying a soothing tea, ginger proves to be a natural ally. So, embrace these years with confidence, armed with the knowledge and benefits of ginger. Here's to health, happiness, and a little ginger magic in every step of our journey. If you've enjoyed learning about ginger's powerful benefits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Embrace your golden years with vigor and vitality, and let's continue this journey to a healthier life together.